I'll quickly recap, okay, so that it will come into the record.
Just to interrupt.
Yes.
In a red candle or bearish candle, open, high, low, close, right? In red candle, bearish.
All candles. All candles. Let me recap. You will get to it. Yeah. Put your question. Put your question. I will cover
in bearish candle, the order open, high, low, close, like that, or I open then low, high, something like that. Is there any difference between bullish and bearish candle?
No need to remember. I'm still explaining. Please wait. Okay. So how? Let's see how the candle is made. So candle represents the price action of particular day. If I selected day, each candle is representing one day. Each candle is representing one day. When I select 1 week, here week, each candle is now representing 1 week. Like this is the 2nd August week. Now this is the last week, 9th of August. This particular is June week, 28th June. This is representing February. So basically each candle is representing 1 week. Now if I select the month, each candle is representing 1 month. This is a November month of 2016. This particular is March month of 2021. So whatever I selected, like if I select 1 hour, what will happen? Each candle will represent 1 hour. I can go as low as, in the free version, I can go as low as 1 minute. So each candle is representing here the trade, whatever happened in last minute. This was the last minute, then before that minute. You can see that minutes also on the time frame downside. This whole day is 13th August. See here, 13th August. So minute by minute, you can get to know what happened. Like I selected 1 day. So on 1 day, price has selected on 1 minute. So complete day information, price action, I can get to know by minute what happened. This minute what happened. Next minute what happened. You can see price is changing minute on minute. 51, 53, 54, 55. So we can break down all the information. Somebody trading on the intraday, he might select 1 minute or every 15 minutes what is happening. You can select the chart on every 15 minutes. You can select the chart on hourly. When you will have required certain information on lower levels, you can select the chart on that particular time frame. It is required. Sometimes it depends how deep you require. Depends on the kind of trader or investor you are. You might require what is happening at every minute. Maybe you are doing the intraday trade. So the information is available from 1 minute to 1 month on this free version. When you will take the paid version, there are like, you can select seconds also, like 1 second, 5 seconds, 15 seconds. So this kind of information is available. 1 minute is more than enough, I guess, for everyone here. So how this candle is formed? This is nothing but a price history of that particular time frame. So how it is marked? There will be some opening price you required. Then you will get to know what was the closing price of that particular time frame. So say opening price, closing price, and between the opening and price and closing price, price may go below this or above this. Agree? जहां से ओपन हुआ जहां क्लोज हुआ जरूरी नहीं कि वही प्राइस का रेंज हो. The price can make lower than this also and higher than this also. Understand this point? Suppose price has opened here 549. Within that particular hour, we are selected here hour, price might go a little lower also, 533 say, and within that minute, because minutes are made of seconds. So within that minute, something is happening up and down and closed here, say 500, 616. So this is opening, this is closing, and this line is representing. And now if I select this one as a If I close this opening and closing with line, this will represent a body. So whatever closed structure you are seeing is a body of a candle. It is called body of a candle. And up and down portion, whatever you are seeing, it is called wick of the candle. So any candle is formed with these four information: opening price, closing price, whatever low it made on during that time frame, and whatever high it made during that time frame. Now, when opening will be upside and price will go down, then opening will become, top line will become your opening and bottom line become closing. So that candle will show in the red color. So when you see the red color, basically it shows that the high side of the candle is actually opening and down side of the candle is closing. Now look at this candle. Now have a look of different candles. This candle, what it is showing here, look at the price. This particular price is the opening price of this candle, 591. This 609 is a closing price. And between that, this 1 hour, price has gone as low as 520. Within this 1 hour, you can see the fluctuation here. 591 gone as low as 520. So there is a huge volatility in this particular candle. So this is opening, this is closing, this made high of 621 and low of 520. So within 1 hour, price has fluctuated 100 rupees. So this is kind of volatility you are going to deal in the share market. That depends on stock to stock and particular day, or anything happened, maybe something important is happening on this day. So now it is clear how this candle is made. If I put my cursor here, top side, you can already see the same information written. See the opening, what is the opening written? Anyone would like to read? 591 written. Closing, high 621. See the high, if I put my cursor here, I can see, right? 621. Same thing is written already here. Low it made. What is the low it made? 520. You can see the 520 represented here in the week. And closing is 609. This was a closing. Because closing price is above the opening price, so candle color is green. Right? And in this particular candle, how much is the price changed? 5%. 5% from opening to closing. Okay. Plus how much rupees changed? Plus 30 rupees. So opening to closing change is 30 rupees. 591 to 621. 30 rupees of change, that represents the 5%. But during that 1 hour, price fluctuated around 20%. From 520 to 600. High it made 621. 100 rupees of change. Roughly 20% of fluctuation happened in this particular hour. So now you understand. Let's see one green color candle, one more type of candle. This is the small one here. What is happening here? What is the opening price? You see here on the top. Opening price 579. High made 585. Means only 6 rupees of up. And closing low 575. So opening से 5 रुपए नीचे low गया. And closing 579.9. So the body of candle is only 0.9 rupees. Open at 579, closed at 579.9. 0.9 rupees is a body here. And up down is a fluctuation. So this candle is made only like a wick only, right? Understand this one, how this candle is getting formed? Now have a look at one more candle similar to this. See this candle, where my cursor. What happened? Opening price, high price, low price, and close price. Can you see that opening and low is same, almost same. Opening and low, and closing is and high is almost no. What is happening here? High 567 and close is 567. Yes, high and close is same. That's why you are not seeing any wick here, right? Whatever price it opened, it has gone up only. Understand here?
Yeah.
So now look at a red candle. How it formed? The red candle here is a red candle. Opening is 562. Read it. Read on the top, please. Someone.
Opening is 562.1.
And high, it is exactly close to opening. 564.
564.
So see the upside wick is very small on the candle.
Yes.
So opening and high is very, very near. And what was the closing?
513.65.
See the body of here, 514 somewhere, 513.
0.65.
Yeah, so this is the closing of the lower part of this body. And low made little lower than this one, 504. So during this particular hour, price has gone down but came back. Why came back? Somebody bought, right? Price came back. Now look at this particular candle. Opening and high is same. Opening and high is same. Read on the top side.
527.55 and 527.55 for the high.
So you are not seeing any wick here, right?
Yes.
You are not seeing any wick. And low and close is same.
Correct. Almost same.
So you are not seeing any downside wick also. So this is only 4 type of candle you will see. Only actually 2 type of candle only. This appearance of wick will come based on the price fluctuation. So whatever candle you are seeing, only you are seeing the price history in terms of 4 information: opening, closing, low it made during that time, and high it made during the time. I guess it is very simple. Anyone have any question? Please ask.
What is this dash it is showing at the left side of the candle?
There was no price action happened during this time. Why this is not happened? Good question. Price, this particular stock is logged in the 5% gain. So what happened when it achieved the day high? Now on that particular day, it was logged in the upper circuit. So no price action was happening. So that's why it is showing C 0%. During this time, no price action happened. It was logged here. So it can happen on the day also, that see particular this day, it opened there and made high, low, close, everything there. See here. What is the information it is giving? Opening
433.
And high, it made
434.1
rupees up. And low made same as opening, right? And closed at same as high. So that's why you are seeing the body is very small. So last day price was here. Next day it opened high only and closed there only. So that's why you are seeing here gap. So see, consider this particular candle. See here, this particular candle. Read all the information, please. Opening
368.30.
Everything is 368.30. Opening, close, high, low, everything. Means price in the morning itself opened at 5% high. See, plus 4.99%. So open here, all the trade happened on that price only. Somebody was in
circuit.
Sorry, upper circuit market NSC fixed. Sometimes when price volatility is very high, what they are doing, they are putting particular stock in some particular price range, that this stock cannot go more than 5% or upside downside. So they will put the restriction to save the retailers that there is a lot of activity happening. Maybe the NSC has some information in terms of volatility, that this stock has already gone this much every day, upper circuit, lower circuit. There is something might happen. So they create the range so that you will not lose more than 5% on particular day.
Okay.
Okay. So now you are seeing the different candle, how this is formed. If a different type of price action will happen on that particular day, that will show the kind of candle it will create. But every candle, no matter how, what is the shape, will give you same information. What was the opening price, closing price, what is the high it made, and what is the low it made. Now different scenarios can happen, as we are seeing here, that the opening, closing, low, high is same. So you are seeing the kind of structure. It's just there is no body, no wick, nothing, right?
Yes.
And there will be some candles like there is no wick, no high, no low, because wherever it opened, it kept falling and it closed near the day low. Similarly, you will see some candles where there will be no downside. It opened at a low and closed at a high. So there is no wick. Some candles you will see only wick. Why it will happen wick? It opened same price, gone down and back to the same price. So there is no body. Opening and closing is same. And action happened in the wick. So different candle you are seeing having a same information, just a different price action is showing in a different shape. So that different shape has a different meaning. We will learn about it. What does it mean when this kind of candle appears? What does it mean when this kind of candle appears? What is the next, what we should do when this kind of candle happens? When this happened, what should we do? Whether we should buy, hold, or sell. When this happened, what should we do? So each candle have a different name also that we'll learn separately in a separate class. Like this looks like a hammer, so it is called a hammer. Okay, this is called a doji. You know dragonfly, how many of you catch it? Dragonfly, this candle is called dragonfly. A thin body, thin structure, no body, just like a dragonfly. So every candle has some different name. This is called Mori Bazu. So this candle is invented by the Japanese people. So all the names are Japanese. Okay, so doji, everything has an English Hindi meaning. We will get to know about those meaning. And what is the significance of that meaning? When a candle forms, this candle forms after this kind of candle, what is the meaning of this? So that we will learn separately. We will have maybe after 3, 4, 5 sessions, we will learn about that. Till now, anyone has any question? Now you can see the chart and have all the information about opening, closing, high, day high. Can you set the chart on different time frames? And you understand that each candles are representing the time frame you set on the chart. When you set on the day, it does not mean it's a one day. It's a each candle is one day. Each candle is representing one day. When you select week, each candle is representing 1 week. By default, when you select 5 year, chart will convert into weekly. By default, when you select chart 1 year, each candle is representing 1 day. If you select like 1 month, each candle will represent 30 minutes. When you select further lower, each candle will have a different time frame. Like it's a 5-minute time frame. When you select a 1 month, each candle will convert into 30 minutes. So different time scope will require for your action to take when you will be studying this particular chart. Each time frame is important, depends, we will learn, you will get to know. Till here, anyone has any question, anything? Can you have a feeling of the trading view platform? You know almost every, at least you know the names, and go through it. You put your cursor, you will have some information. For this day, I think this much information is enough. Rest is question answer. You ask me, I will reply.
One question दर्पण भाई. So हम लोग जो फ्यूचर के जो भी सेशंस होंगे उसमें हम लोग कैंडल वाला जो होगा वही को उसी को कंसीडर करेंगे, राइट?
Yes. We'll learn all the. No.
Okay.
When line chart is something I want to show you in the structure, I will show you line chart. But 99% we will be reading everything in the line chart only, candle diagram only.
Okay.
Yes, I think this was less information, but I stretched it because some people have a zero basic knowledge of technical. I will always consider that you are like having a zero information about technical. So things will be sometime boring, but initial it is like ABCD. Learning ABCD, then you will go to from alphabet to letters and sentence. All are okay till here?
Yeah, Darpan bhai. All are good.
Okay, so why this? Why we need a different time zone to study? History, as we said from previous sessions, that the performance of the company is represented on its balance sheet, right? Sales growth was there, profit was there. So during this period, you will see this has launched, this IPO was launched somewhere 2017. You'll see that this company might have not been performing that well over this period, and something had happened here, maybe new tie-ups, new managements, new business opportunity, new product. They might have invented something might have changed. That's why suddenly people are interested in buying. So as we said from our Dow principle, that when we study the chart, why this is happening, we are not interested. As a person, as an investor, you might require that knowledge just for your confirmation that this is not happening. Somebody is not misleading you with the price action. You can verify with the actual news and actual source. You can go to the company website. But Dow theory says, if this is happening, this is happening. Okay, you should interested in what is happening. Why it is happening, we are not interested. So when why this price has changed, came back from here. Let's as a new people, just have a look here. Previous high, this was the previous high. Price came back 20% down from that same point. Right? So somebody is having a history printed in mind that I have to sell here. Price has came back from 622 to 500. Already almost like 20% price came down. Just by one piece of information, you could be also ready to sell here when you have seen the price coming down. Profit booking. Is it interesting or not? Just one single line gives you so much information. Right?
Yeah, it is interesting. One question, Darpan bhai. Sorry if I am asking a lot of questions.
No. Please. Yeah.
So let's say if अगर हम लोगों को ये दिखता है कि यार 620 पे वो है, मतलब
रेजिस्टेंस
है इसका, और अगर हम लोग वहां पर सेल करते हैं, जो हम लोगों ने बाई किया हुआ है वही सेल करेंगे, राइट? बट डू यू सजेस्ट टू शॉर्ट, मतलब जो शॉर्ट सेलिंग होता है वो भी करने का यहाँ पे?
वो आप सीखेंगे, आप डिसाइड करेंगे कि आपको शॉर्ट सेलिंग करना है कि नहीं। मार्केट में कर सकते हैं,
डिपेंड्स ऑन द पॉकेट।
नहीं, आपको डिसाइड करना है ना, ट्रेड क्या करना है, खरीदना है, नहीं खरीदना है, सेल करना है, जो खरीदा है वो सेल करना है, होल्ड करना है। You will get to know. Information will tell you that price is going down. Now, how to utilize it as an investor, you will get to know, right? You will know that price is going up. You have to decide whether if you can judge, you are pretty sure that price is going up, buy or not buy, you have to decide, right? But you can do buying, you can do selling. Might be your study suggests that this price might go 1,000. So you will not interested in selling at 100 rupees down. You might see that this fluctuation, this coming down is opportunity. I will buy more. The price will go 1,000. You might have certain information with the chart that till this point everything is okay. Or maybe you can think that price may come up to 329. I will buy again. Let me sell. This price can come to this line. Just have a look. Just have a feeling that when this price has rejected here, see big fall here, big red candle is showing fall. When price came back, it has never crossed that particular red candle. Have a look. When the price came sharply down from this particular price, opening price, has it ever crossed this price on the closing basis?
No.
So can a single price point is so informative? Can any fundamentalist can give this view that sell here? Can you decide that exactly you have to sell at 343? When price is returning and not crossing here, if somebody knew here, can it take action here or at least here? If you are invested and price is not crossing this, what kind of action you will take here? The next bounce, what kind of action you will take here? Can you take action?
I will sell. I will sell.
And see, and you'll say, let it cross. Because it is returning so many times from here. Let me get out of this trade. And next time when it will cross, तब जब इस पे ऊपर कृपा आने लगेगी तब खरीदेंगे, right? अभी इसकी कृपा यहाँ रुकी हुई है 343 पे। उस समोसे को हरी चटनी नहीं मिल रही है। तो ठीक है, तो यहाँ से जब क्रॉस करेगा तब खरीद लेंगे। और वो कितने दिन क्रॉस नहीं किया, कितने साल क्रॉस नहीं किया, ये चीज यहाँ पे हो रही थी 2010 में। तो अगर आपने इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन से इसे सेल कर दिया होता कि ये रेजिस्टेंस है, प्राइस यहाँ गिरा है, यहाँ मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, मेरा लॉस रिकवर हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है, लेट मी सेल, तो आपने कितने साल बचाए होते ये टेक्निकल इंफॉर्मेशन से?
ऑलमोस्ट 12 साल।
12 साल बचा लिए होते।
बट दर्पण इसमें और एक चीज था, फंडामेंटल से हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि ये क्यों वापस आ रहा है ट्रेंड, और भाई
लेकिन फंडामेंटल से इसी पॉइंट से खरीदना है कि और नीचे जा सकता है, वो थोड़ा मुश्किल है। लेकिन अभी जैसे यहाँ पे आ गया 1 जुलाई 2019 अप टू मार्च 20, 6 महीने तक प्राइस इसके नीचे नहीं जा रहा है, तो अब प्राइस का बॉटम बन गया, राइट? हियर
okay.
You can say same thing here also, that many months price has never gone below 88. So when price gone below 88, what should you do? Many months price was not going below 88, right? Price was getting a support. When it is broken, what will you do?
Sell करूंगा मैं.
Yes. So same thing, many month here, price has not gone above 35. Have a look here. I will convert this chart under day chart, so you'll have a better feeling here. It was, price was not crossing this 36 in this days, right? Can you see here? Price was not going below. Price was not going below 18.95.
18.95.
And not going above 35. So when the price crossed 35, I'm just giving you the feel of how to read the chart. So this, the price below which price is not going down is called support. It is having a price support. Whenever it is coming down, somebody is buying. That's why it is not going down, right? Or you can say now people are not selling. You can say it both ways. Now people are not interested to sell below this price. Or you can say below this somebody is buying. Not somebody, 1%, maybe more, 100 people are buying. Whenever they see below this, they see as an opportunity. And when somebody is seeing the price of 35 rupees, what they are doing, they are selling it. That's why it is coming down, right? There are more sellers at this price. So this price is called resistance. This is what we will learn in the next session. Support, resistance, how to take the horizontal lines, how to draw the vertical lines. These are our scope for the next session.
One quick question.
Yes. I don't know whether I will be able to answer. Only 1 minute left. Yes, please.
ठीक है. वो जो last view था वो open करोगी क्या आप वापस?
Quickly ask your question. we
हाँ
might
हाँ,
left.
तो उसमें है ना, आप कहाँ पर रिकमेंड करोगे इसको बाय करने का? जो इसके
पहले ही
पहले वाला
क्लास
शायद
में अभी हम लोग 25 सेशंस तक बाय सेल कुछ पूछेंगे नहीं. ओके,
नहीं नहीं, मैं
ओनली
नहीं पूछ रहा,
नहीं रिकमेंड
बट
करोगे वो, दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन. वी विल सी ओनली प्राइस एक्शन. वी विल
ओके
लर्न इट. वी विल गेट टू नो कब हम रिकमेंड करेंगे. यही तो बता रहा हूँ ना. 18 के नीचे नहीं जा रहा है. 18 के नीचे
हाँ हाँ
नहीं जा रहा है, तो आप खरीद सकते हो 18 पे. राइट, दैट डिसीजन विल कम